Alright, so this is my Arctic Cat 250 2x4. This thing was a complete basket case. Total menace to society. I finally figured out what was going on with it. So, this thing ran like complete crap. Did a compression test. Compression was good. Put a brand new carburetor on it. Put a brand new coil. You can see right here. Brand new CDI right here. Brand new CDI box. Put a brand new factory style replacement carburetor on it. Which is this one here, CV carburetor. Still didn't run right. It was popping, backfiring, kept dying on me. Would not run right. I checked the timing. Just a complete basket case. I was to the point where I was about to just get rid of it. So anyways, I took this brand new carburetor off after I changed the coil and the CDI and spark plug and all that. Still didn't fix it. I took this off. Took that CV carburetor off and put this flat slide 32 millimeter on. And that solved all my issues. No more popping, no more weird idling. The idle would hang on this. You'd give it some gas and let off, and the idle would it would lag. It would stay up high, and it would take it a while to come back down, real slow to return to idle. So these CV carburetors, they run on vacuum. This thing is a complete hunk of dog shit. I'll never buy another one again. So this here is just another generic cheap Chinese carburetor, but it's a PWK knockoff, 32 millimeter. This is a 75-inch throttle cable that I bought for $8 on Amazon. The carburetor I paid, I think, $20 for. You can see where the original cable was right here. It went to the other carburetor. So this fit perfect on here. Everything still functions just right. It's a little long, as you can see, but nothing binds up when you turn the forks or anything on it. So I'll put links to the cable and the carburetor in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. Oh yeah, she's cured, finally. Some new headlights, LED headlights, I put those on there. I think them lights go pretty good on the front of it, considering that they're aftermarket. This four-wheeler was originally red. I scuffed it all up and rattle bombed it green when I first got it. But anyways, if you're having trouble with your older model Arctic Cat 250 2x4, you can't figure out what's wrong with it, I would start by getting rid of the CV style carburetor. Do that first before you do anything else. Put a flat slide on it. It might save you some headache.